What's the meaning of builder? Builder. Builder.
Builder. Builder. The term builder typically refers to a person or entity engaged in the construction industry, specifically responsible for building and assembling structures such as buildings, bridges, roads, and other physical structures. The result of their work can be seen and experienced in the form of functional, safe, and aesthetically pleasing structures that serve various purposes, from homes and offices to public infrastructure. Builders play a crucial role in shaping our environment and creating the physical foundation for societal growth and development. Their work requires technical knowledge, expertise, and skillful execution to ensure that structures are built to meet safety standards and withstand the test of time.